Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk a little bit about kind of giving back. So I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York. I make videos like this about philosophy, about technique, etc. If you're interested, go ahead and subscribe. So last night I was watching a live video from a musician that I follow, Josh Ritter. I'll put a link. And Josh was on tour, I believe, when this whole thing started. And obviously, you're a musician, you can't tour around and fill concert halls. So what he's decided to do is every Tuesday night, where, at least for the time being, he is doing like a live hour of just kind of playing acoustic guitar and taking requests and doing various other things. And he's asking people that watch to donate to like the New York Food Bank and, like charities. And it made me really think about how this is one of those times where after this is over, I think people are going to remember that. There's a lot of companies out there, like I get tons of emails, as you guys probably do every day, and they're just like, buy, discount. But the thing is, like, we're in a position, right? Like, some of us should be buying stuff. It's actually probably a good time. If you were going to buy stuff, maybe it is a good time. But a lot of people are being a little careful with their money because they're not exactly sure where it's going to be. And I think that the companies that are going to support us with, education or discounts on some level, or extending things or making things available to us, are the ones we're going to remember in the end. So I think that's a great policy. On that note, you'll be seeing a lot of stuff from Adorama, I'm sure, where I'm already talking to them. We're going to still be doing a lot of free content, which we always do, because this is important, right? This is that time that, if we have the cash, it's nice to spend it on something, but now's the time that we can take time to learn. If we're at home or we're not able to work, especially, or jobs are coming and going, especially photographers, maybe you lost a bunch of your jobs, this might be a time for you to learn other techniques and other things that we can do. And for people to offer that to you, I think is great. And that's what I'm trying to do, which is why I'm here, constantly. Not that I'm really selling you stuff, but you know what I mean? I'm trying to get in that vibe. And I was just very inspired to talk about that. I know I said I would talk about the different vlogging stuff, and maybe we will. Right now, by the way, I'm using the Osmo Pocket and my phone and just a Gorilla Pod. I think it's a little crooked. It's hard to see because the sun's in my eyes. But I just decided to bring this with me just in case. And anyways, that goes beside the point. But I guess what I want to say in this video is that everybody has something to give, right? You might think that maybe you don't, maybe you hadn't thought about it yet because you're still getting yourself accustomed to this. But I think as we kind of find ourselves in this position, and this could be weeks now, who knows, a month, maybe more, who knows how long we're going to be kind of in this spot where we need to, maybe not be able to go out and whatever, and it's restricting our work. Maybe this is a time to look for something that you have a talent in or something you've been wanting to do that you can then give back. Take this opportunity to not just learn and grow yourself, obviously, and benefit yourself and give to yourself, but also give back. Give back to the people maybe that have helped you out, or people that, or just give back in general. Either if you have extra money, donate. If there's something you can do charitable to help out. If there's something where you can help raise money, do that. Teach a class. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, start a YouTube channel. Not because you think you're going to make a bunch of money being a YouTuber. Believe me, there's not a lot of money in doing YouTube, no matter what those videos tell you. I'm sure some people make a lot of money, but my point is that do it because you want to do it, because it's a passion, and maybe now's the time that you can share that thing. Maybe you love to cook, and you could start a channel where you just show recipes. I need some new recipes, so if somebody's out there doing that, let me know. This is the kind of stuff that we can do. This is the time where we can share, and maybe this is going to be, hopefully, spark off a whole bunch of people that are going to start channels or start, Discord servers or Twitch or YouTube or whatever it is that can then start to give back to the community. So, I'm all about building a community. I'm trying to give back to the photo community. Let me know what you guys want to see in these videos. I got a few messages of things people want me to talk about, which I will. I just wanted to talk about this today because I was inspired. And I'm going to be making, hopefully, these short videos every day. I did directly get one question, though, which I will just answer now because you can see it. Is this is a wireless lav. It's by Rode. Anyways, I'm going to put, for all these videos, because we're talking about vlogging, I'll put all the blogging stuff in the thing if you want to research it more. But yeah, it's wireless, and it's pretty nice, actually. It's not super expensive, but you can definitely get away with a wired lav. They're much less expensive, and you just have a wire dangling, which I guess in this case you'd see it, but depending on how you crop your shot, you may not see the wire. So, I think you'd see it. I'm completely blinded. I cannot see the camera at all. So hopefully the camera's actually pointed at me, and you guys can, maybe at least you can hear me. Maybe you don't need to see me. Yeah, I'm going to stop being lazy and get up and continue my walk, and I'll post this up a little bit later. And yeah, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell so you get the notifications, and I will see you soon.